I'm in Mountain Brook Subdivision today in Cartersville, and this is a subdivision that is made for people who want to enjoy not just their Craftsman-style home, but truly enjoy the neighborhood. Because as you pull into the neighborhood, you're going to see the perfect place to lounge by the pool, maybe do some exercising. And then as you go back towards the back of the neighborhood, it has one of the best playgrounds I have ever seen in a subdivision. Not to mention, it has the perfect spot if you want to sit and just relax and overlook the lake. But the houses are also made to be extremely livable. So as we go in this house, you're going to fall in love from the moment you walk in the door. And then when I take you to the backyard, you're going to be like, oh, I have to have that backyard. So let's keep going. Now in the living room, you've got this great fireplace, the little bit of shiplap to just give it that little bit of pop. But I love the flooring down here. So all on this main level, you've got this great color that really brings some warmth to it. And then we have a half bath. So if you're entertaining, you can just send them right over there. And it's just a great floor plan to go from inside to outside. Now this is the kind of floor plan I love because as you come in the front door, you've got a space. If you wanted to have a formal dining room, you could, or you could have an office there. So many choices there. And then if you're coming in through the garage, it has that great place to just put all your stuff as you're coming in. And then this kitchen, y'all, I feel like I could do some cooking in here. From the beautiful countertops to I love that the microwave is one that's built in a little bit lower, not over the stove like we see so many times. And then we've got a great area to dine, and it's big enough, like you can see, it's a pretty big space with some upgraded lighting. And then we've got the living room with the fireplace. And one of the main things is this home has the owner's suite right here on the main level. And that's so important if you want to be able to live in the house for as long as you want. And right off the kitchen is a screen porch where, you know, that's where I'd be having my morning coffee. And then as you go upstairs, you're going to find the 3 additional bedrooms and bathrooms. And the views outside of a kind of overlooking the backyard is just great. Now, one of the things I don't want you to miss is this lighting, because you can see the windows up here and the windows up here. That lets in all that natural light, but because it's solid here, you get that privacy feeling because you're in a subdivision, but when you look out, you're seeing trees. As we go upstairs, what you're going to find is 3 full bedrooms and a full bath. And one of the bedrooms would be great for a guest suite or maybe a teenager because it has its own full bath as well. And then there's a great loft area where you'll see a big screen TV, and I can just picture that was where the people just kind of congregated upstairs to watch a movie. So let's go up and take a look. Now, out back is where this home really shines because you've got the screen porch where you could have your coffee, a little bit of privacy. You've got the trees that you're kind of getting that nature feel. And then with the way this house lays out, it's nice and flat back here, and you feel like you're in a neighborhood, but you got that privacy that everybody always wants. Now, I know someone's thinking, I think I want to see this in person. Well, all you have to do is call us and we would love to show it to you. And if you hit the subscribe button, the next time we put out a video, you'll be the first to know. Now this home was built in 2023, and you can see that the yard, it has plenty of space to spread out. You can see the trees back behind me, so you're really going to feel like you've got some privacy here. If you want to take a look at this house, we would love to show it to you.